Hi everyone, welcome to Gadgets 360. This is the Nokia 106 4G feature phone which has just launched in India at a pocket-friendly price of Rs 2199. Here's our first look and quick unboxing of the new mobile. The Nokia 106 is available in both offline and online stores and comes with a 1-year replacement guarantee. The highlight feature is the inbuilt UPI 123 Pay functionality, which should provide easy access to UPI for digital transactions. It comes with a micro USB charger with an attached cable and a 1450 mAh removable battery in the box. The back of the phone has a nano texture type design. The top has a headphone jack and LED torch, while the bottom has a micro USB port. The phone has a robust design and a large keypad that makes it convenient to use for senior citizens. There's a pre-installed Gupshup app on the phone to enable UPI payments. It does not have a camera. You can either use your existing UPI account or create a new one. The Nokia 106 4G supports micro SD cards of up to 32 GB and has Bluetooth 5.0. It has inbuilt wireless FM radio and an MP3 player for users to enjoy their favorite songs. The phone is water ready and supports HD calls. It is available in blue and charcoal colors. So what do you think about the Nokia 106 4G phone? Do tell us in the comments and stay tuned to Gadgets 360 for all things tech.